My research focuses on popular music, media and culture, with a specific focus on this within music fans, such as how they are using technology to connect with each other and musicians, and also the meaning and experience of live music gigs. I absolutely love music and I have a big passion for teaching and researching in this area. In terms of my research, I'm particularly interested in how TikTok is impacting on music fandom. I've been working recently on a study exploring fans of Kate Bush on TikTok, looking at how they were engaging with running up that hill on the platform in quite creative and quite emotional ways. I've also been researching live music culture, so what it means to be part of an audience at a gig, the emotion and belonging that many live music audiences feel, and how some fans are using technology to engage with live music concerts. In my teaching at Cardiff University, I bring these insights into the classroom through my teaching around topics such as popular music and also media fans. I love helping students see how music, media and culture come together in our everyday lives and how this shapes who we are as people. Within the classroom, we explore topics such as Taylor Swift, Kendrick Lamar and Sabrina Carpenter. And it's so fantastic seeing students bringing their passions into the classroom and then applying academic theories to these artists. What excites me most about my research is that it shows the power of music, whether online or in person, to create meaning, community and connection in our lives.